What if I told you you could turn a tool like ChatGPT from a generic chatbot into your personal fitness coach, career mentor, financial planner, or research assistant, and never have to re-explain yourself again?
A bullshit? A bullshit? A bullshit.
In today's video, we're going to dive into AI agents, and I'm going to break it down into the simplest way possible. You might be asking, so what? Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll understand why AI agents are a game changer for productivity. Without further ado, let's get stuck in. Think of an AI agent like a hiring specialist employee, but digital. Instead of being a jack of all trades chatbot, it's more like having a dedicated team member with a specific job title, clear responsibilities, and a consistent way of working. Imagine the difference between asking a random person on the street for fitness advice versus having an actual personal trainer. That's the difference between a regular chatbot and an AI agent. An AI agent works on three simple pillars. The first one is identity. It's like giving the AI a job title. For example, meet Fitness Pro, your AI workout buddy. The AI now identifies as your personal trainer, but we need to give it a little more substance. And that's where the purpose comes in. This is their specialized focused area. Using the above example, we'd instruct the Fitness Pro agent to help you curate a special meal plan and exercise routines to help you achieve your goal. You wouldn't ask this specific agent on how to build a rocket, for example. Now, once you have the identity and the purpose, you now want to give the agent instructions on behavior, how you want it to talk and act with you. Do you want a Mr. Miyagi type?
To make honey, young bee need young flower, not old prune.
Or an army captain?
Go! Sir, the recruit can't think while the drill instructor is hitting him on his head, sir! You can't think while I'm giving you a few love taps? How the are you going to fire your rifle when grenades are going off in your face?
Here's why this matters for you. Firstly, it's the consistency. There's no more repeating yourself and you get quality outputs every time. You'll also get better results as you've given the agent specialized knowledge and deeper understanding. And lastly, you can arm it with ready-to-use outputs that personally works for you. No more endless tweaking of prompts to pull out the specific information you're trying to get. Now let me run you through a quick example of the fitness and well-being coach AI agent that I've touched on during this video. There's a bit more text there than a super basic AI agent because I want you to push yourself a little. Don't be scared. If you actually read it, it's just general common sense. Feel free to pause the video as much as you want to read through the instructions, but I will pin the instructions in the comments below. I've outfitted this agent with safety and boundaries to make sure the AI agent doesn't try to act as my doctor. That's what my real life doctor is for. I gave it personalization protocol to make sure that every time I start a new conversation with this AI agent, it asks me for specific info to help understand what my goal is. I also gave it content structure that works for me, so when it gives me an output, I can understand it better, and I broke it down into two categories: workout plans and nutrition guidance, as it needs to be two separate topics. I then asked it to have specific communication, encouraging and positive language only. I personally don't respond to negative words, but maybe some of you masochists out there do, and if so, there's no judgment. Do whatever works for you. And lastly, evidence-based approach. Now, this is important because I want to receive good, credible advice. There's a lot of science out there and a lot of information out on the internet, from things like how much protein and carbs you need to be consuming to cardio kills your gains, etc. So that's why I put this specific bit in. The main thing you should notice is that I created this AI agent with specific purpose of being my personal fitness and well-being coach. Notice that I don't put anything in the system instructions that deviates from this, like when I ask for a meal plan, explain what I should do to become a pilot. That's a career coach and a whole different AI agent. Each AI agent you create has its own lane and it should stick to it. And here's what's exciting. AI agents are evolving so fast. In 2025, we're seeing more autonomy, better understanding, and broader capabilities. The market is expected to hit $236 billion by 2034. That's how big this is getting. So to conclude, think of AI agents as your personal team of digital specialists. They're consistent, focused, and designed to make your life easier. No more generic responses, no more starting from scratch every time. Drop a comment below with what kind of AI agent you'd create first. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more AI tips that actually make sense.